Hello everybody, I'm coming here again in the Sunday to continue the development of the V2 and finishing the, I think finishing, well, never exactly know if there is a problem or not, of the plane. So I can manage to try to sport if the new sport, because I don't manage to know how to do it correctly. Does do it well or not? No, I don't have this. I have to find there's an option. I had a plugin that selecting two parts I could add could put the pivot point. Wait a moment. Yes, perfect. Local. Great. Went to animated. No. Animated. Because I want to see something. No. Local. So now I have animated. Okay. I want to test to try to see if everything is okay. Hey, Íñigo Rincón. We're working hardly these days, yes. I would like to have the plane ready, at least my part, as soon as I can. In every free moment I have, in the little free moments I have, I would like to make some working of it. By the way, it has been released, the Ostri, Ostri for the Falcon 4, Falcon VMS Theater. Very nice. Ha sido lanzado del teatro de Ostri para Falcon 4, ya está disponible para descarga. En la página del Grupo Armados tenéis más información en la zona de Falcon. Buena, Pablo do Porto. Porque esa parte se ve como vieja. Sí. En su canal de Twitch, no me acuerdo cuál es. Te lo digo ahora. Ese es, el canal de Twitch. Bueno, no sé si también influyen las mayúsculas, sería... Pero no sé si transmite todo. Él ha transmitido 2 vídeos. Esta parte se ve como vieja. No sé. Porque es... Ah, esto de aquí, porque tiene mierda y todo eso. Claro. Que me gusta hacer las cosas con mierda. A mí me gusta hacer las cosas con mierda. Que no sean limpias. Te mola CRJ y me mola que te mole. No es una cuestión solamente de conseguir dinero, sino que a la gente le mole. Cuando uno hace un trabajo, lo que le mola no... Bueno, hay gente que le mola solamente el dinero. A mí no me mola el dinero solamente. El dinero está bien hasta cierto punto. Lo que me mola es que valoren tu trabajo. Salió ayer la beta de... La beta 9. Como siempre, un fin de semana, me cago en la mar. Tuve que sacar todo, probarlo. Ay. Después de este directo, además, sí, no, cuando digo acabo, no estoy acabando. Lo que estoy haciendo es acabar una porción, es decir, una parte del trabajo. Yo os voy a mostrar todo lo que tengo que hacer. En teoría, vamos, a no ser que tenga algún secreto que no mostrar, pero no, por ahora no tengo ningún secreto que no mostrar. Me cago en la madre que lo parió. ¿Por qué me seleccionas toda la sección? leche, no quiero más trabajo. Ya tengo bastante con este. No necesito más trabajo, gracias. Madre mía, no me he dado cuenta. Sorry, I didn't know. What I wanted to say is, somebody asked me if there was a problem for me for sharing my knowledge. If somebody were going to copy my knowledge and to so I could not be able to win more money because of that. And for me, it's not important that. For me, what is important is to share the possibilities that we make, to share the knowledge. Because if we share the knowledge, then we are going to gain a lot of things all together, all the community. Not only explain, but everything, in every aspect of the life. So I'm not afraid of losing market or something because of that. I'm winning because my product will be loved by people, and I think there is enough market for everybody to share their knowledge. But usually people don't do it because they prefer to have the money, of course, and they agree with the money. I was saying that there was a guy that loves the plane, flying it, and I said to him that without the micro, that for me it's more important than the money. Of course, the money is important. I'm not saying that I'm stupid, but for me it's very important that people are glad, because that let me do all the things. If I'm lazy, I don't. When I share a knowledge like this, for example, like the hard knowledge that when I made the javelin I published in the forum, then if I wouldn't do it, then I could have only the knowledge for myself and for me, and then I could win more money maybe, but I wouldn't do more planes or more things or whatever. That makes me think about new ideas. You can copy the ideas, but you cannot copy the mind of the people. So I know I can have better ideas, and with you I'm gaining something also, because as said at the beginning of the videos of the CL415, 1,000 of eyes looks more than 2 eyes. For example, in the CL415 I have the connection with a Greek pilot of the plane that is sending me information. So I think it's a good idea to, first of all, I'm going to do is save this one. Okay, so I think I have everything correct. I don't know if I have to add more polys anywhere, but mostly, no, I cannot do the test theories here for paint, because that would make me all the process of the make again all the process of the unwrapping. What I do when I make the unwrapping, I prefer not to be very clear to making the 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 libraries for the people, I know that, but I prefer to gain all the pixels that I can have. So it's all mixed together, but I gain all the pictures that I can, so I have more resolutions in a less texture resolution. Empieza, os dejo que voy a aplicar con uno. No. Close. Okay, so right now I have something that I like, and now I'm going to try to do some testings. I didn't practice, so I don't know if it's going to work correctly or not. I made some practice at the beginning some time ago, some months ago, but I didn't try anything more. I'm going to show you the plugin of the explain for exporting to explain, but this plugin is different from I have another computer that is weaker than this one, but it's less noisy, and I usually work in that because I have the programming installed there, and I have a lot of things, and usually I don't, but it's weaker than that, this one, because with that one I cannot make live showing them the show or streaming these videos. So that is the reason I came to this computer, to show you how I do this. The thing is, this plugin is new, didn't try before, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. I hope yes. If not, I have to go to the old computer, copy all these files and install them over here. I think it should work, but we are going to try. I think it should be better because it's a newer version, so it would add more maybe functions that I had already in my old one, which were very deep in systems or whatever I could export. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is export one thing, the cockpit main. Okay, only one thing. I'm going to export this one without something to know if the export has come correctly. If it's bad, I'm going to know exactly well, but if it's good, then it's going to substitute the other model, and I'm not going to know if it's okay or not until see something different. For example, I'm going to not export this bar. Okay, so I'm going to see if the bar is exported or not. So in this case, I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so detach. I'm going to save it, and now I'm going to try to understand how this plugin works. I'm going to make appear the I don't know, it's not here, the G, the grid. No. So grid, well, anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, how this plugin works is different than my plugin, because I have to attach the object that I want into a node that is using. I think it was here in the helpers, and here in standard, the new installing, it's here explain, and then we have two nodes, two objects, X object and X level of detail. I never use it level of detail, so I don't know how to use it. This is good for scenarios, but for planes it's quite good, this one I have. Okay, so we add it. First of all, I have to see that we are in we have the mark put in the layer that we are seeing, because it could be here, so if I draw an object it would be marked here and it will be hidden. So we set it here, and then we just put the object that I want to put less bigger, because it's very big. So no blend, so I think this should be, I think there was scale icon here. No, but it's nothing anything. I think I have to check in the modifier. The modifier is this. I'm going to put it something strange here. Okay, so it makes the difference not in real time. I have to check out. It's not well done. Okay. Okay, doesn't matter the size, I believe. maybe, because I don't understand too much this thing. Name messes, information, name lines, name lights, name dummies, comments. I don't know what is this for. Object files options, enable messes, enable lights, enable dummies, enable animation. Okay, scale 1.0. I'm going to move that one into the 000. I don't know if this is important or not, but I'm going to do it. So this is in the world, this is in the coordinates, so I'm going to move it to 000. Pressing the right mouse button will reset to 00, pressing each of them. Now, right now, the pivot of that object is in the 000. And now, let me see something here, because these options I never had before. I don't know if I have to add these options here. We will check out. No shadows down. If I want to set this, not to set shadows. Okay, copy delete. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to type this one to link, select and link. So I select this one, and this is going to be the father. What is a father in 3D? In a father 3D, you can move the object, and this is not going to happen anything. But when you select the father, everything moves with it. Understand? So it's for animation, is very good, but this in this case is also good for sporting. In this case, so I'm going to save it. I'm very taking care of what I'm doing, because I never did it before. So I don't know if I'm very making it slowly. I'm going to export this one. I have a let me see, wait a moment. I was testing before, and there was one thing I didn't like it at all. When I was exporting the models, I could export only one object of the selected, because I only exported the selected one. So if, for example, I'm going to try, okay, without selecting anything. No, selecting this one. Export selected. Export selected. Okay. I don't know if I have to put a name of this. I'm going to put a name, different name. Okay, I'm going to put the cockpit main here, the same name. Okay, save. Now I'm going to export selected, and we're going to go to no. Select only option is not supported now. That's something I didn't like it. Save for update. Save it temporarily available. Try it again later. Okay. So I export to version 10. Okay. Error log file error. So I'm going to go to this one, objects, and here is the exported object. If I open, it doesn't have any texture. Exported with this. It hasn't got any animation because you don't have any animation. That seems to be okay, but didn't export the objects, the texture. Something I don't like. I prefer the previous version. For me it was easier, much more easier. With these lines I don't like the sport selected option is removed. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is the diffuser. Okay, I'm going to copy all the textures that I have in my plane. Here's my plane. So I'm going to copy all the objects. All the objects, all the PNG. All the texture selected. Yes. Control X, no Control C. And then carry them to here. See, they are in copy. Have to select all everything again. Copy objects. Okay, so I select this one and go to copy main. I don't like this because in the old exporter I didn't have to do this, only just pick up from the ball, from the shader, and copy main. Okay. The lead is going to be from copied. No, it's not going to be any late, and bump is going to be the copied main normal. Okay. Let's add the copy leads. Enable, disable. I don't know if this is enabled. No. Dry, wet. I don't know if enable, disable. I don't know what is the dry and the wet. This parameter is auto blend. Enable, disable, specular. Specular, I don't want to create anything. With specular slope limit, nothing. I don't know what is this. Layer group. Enable meshes, information. Okay. Okay, I'm going to save. And now export it again. Export. Export, export, export. Just export. Because it doesn't export. So we go to the explain. And I don't know what it's doing here. Maybe I copy main from the objects. Okay, save. Already exists. Do you want to replace it? Okay, okay. Said that is an error. I don't know what happens with that error because I never exported. If it's not going to work, I'm going to copy my old plugin, and that is all. Okay, so copy main. Here it is. This time it copies, it makes the texture what it has to do, that is right. It loads the texture up, and right, it's okay. What I'm going to do is, right now, I'm going to go to explain 11, aircraft, and I am going to copy a version of the CRJ200, Control C, Control V, start copying it, and that is the version I'm going to work with for making compatible with the new V2. I'm going to start from the one that we have in the 171. Chemi, si tienes algún tester, cuenta conmigo. Vale, lo tendré en cuenta. A ver si todavía tardaré hasta que sea todo esto funcional. Okay, so this one we are going to name it like V2. And I'm going to remove every livery inside. For now I don't want the liveries, so I remove them. Okay, manual also. There's nothing inside the manual important. Performance, planning, worksheet, maps, changes, okay. Manual, outside, remove, object plugin, sounds, object modification, user modification, remove. Okay, so we go to objects, the new version. And we go to the where we are working on, and we have this exported, and we copy here. Copiar. Okay, so we have already substituted this one. Now we execute, we run explain 11 version 9. And we are going to try to find where it is, because usually they are going to appear two CRJs. What I'm going to do, maybe, because here we have a CRJ, we have two CRJs. This is number B2. Okay, I'm going to put it here like this one. Going to start with engines started. Okay, start flight. And it's going to pray that everything goes okay. But what I don't like to is from the 3D I have to export several objects. Okay, so if this plugin exports everything each time I export it, I don't like it at all. And I have to separate each max object into different to export from different, and that is time I'm going to export it in a place that only have water, because I think in Salamanca I had land that is loading. Meteo, thank you, very good work. Says exported. How I know? First of all, we don't have the bar, okay? And we have the new whatever is this. More random surfaces behind. Okay. All the rest of the objects are the same as the old one, but this is the new one. And it's right in the right place where it should be. For example, this is the old one, but these are the new ones because these are more random surfaces. The old one has this, was the same copy of this. Yep, positions also. So it's working. Perfect. Disappear. Okay. For example, we don't have here the new things that we put inside. We cannot move these objects. Of course, we can move here because we have the old one, okay? But not not in this new one. There is no animation. Okay. Perfect. Pomena María, sí. Bartolo. Look, here is more polish here. Okay. This is different because it still is not exported, so it appears the faces that here, also here, because they are the old one. Okay, so it's export. Now I want to do something and to discover if there is a way to only export one object at a time, because if not, it's going to be a mess. I'm going to pause to have it behind, so I don't have to be loading it each time I want to export and test something. I'm going to put this to... It's important to have some kind of order in your work, because if not, you can have a mess. Okay, these are the export where we are working on, and these are the testing when we want to test it, the planing explain element. So from left to right, I'm going to copy all the objects that I want to move. Okay, we have again this object, and now I'm going to do something. Okay, I'm going to export, for example, the other single object. I'm going to export, for example, the door. It's a single object I had, very simple. So I'm going to create again the helper explain object. It doesn't appear. Why? Because I still have this mark in the hidden one, so I have to put it here. So I put it, then modify, go to the modifiers and select 0.1, and then move it to the 0, position. Right mouse button over here, right mouse button, right mouse button, right mouse button, perfect. In this one, we only have one object, not two objects, which is the The other one I'm going to check out. One is the object, the door, and the other is the new object that we created. Okay. We're going to name it. This one, no, it has to be the same name as it was before. The name of the texture is Cockpit Puerta. So I'm going to name it Cockpit Puerta, and this Cockpit Puerta also. Save it. A great paid price. It will be a great price. I don't know how, still, when it's going to be finished. I don't know. I don't know the price. I don't know if we are going to release in separate modules. I don't know. Those are things. I'm just working. Then I will discuss when we see all the work where we have made, the value of the product, then what we have to ask the people to pay. Of course, the people can stay in V1 always, but I think I want to make it worth it to pay for it, not just two stupid things to add. Okay, so we tried it. Okay. Diffuse, Cockpit Puerta, and normal Cockpit Puerta. There is no normal here. If there is no normal, we don't load the normal. Okay. Nothing more to add. Okay, and here's what I wanted to see. I'm going to remove this cockpit main. It shouldn't load it. We are going to see it right now in Explain 11. We unpause it. Where is the pause? Here. David Bowie shouldn't be here. Wait a moment, I'm going to remove this one because it's going to uh, 274. Creía que había eliminado esto, joder. Yo creo que está eliminado porque es que no... Pero entonces, ¿por qué aparece? Ah, ya sé qué está pasando. Vale. Vale, espérate un momento. There's something about the music, not about the... A ver, let me see. ¿Dónde está esto? Ok. Okay. Okay, back to the work. So if I load here, reload the ship again, it will disappear the cockpit, okay? It will say there is a problem, you have to contact the... That's right. There is no the... So that is what I wanted to see, because I remove it. Right. Okay, outside is okay, no problem. But the only thing is we don't see the... you see the new smoke? It's concentrated some particles here. Okay, so we are inside and we don't see the cockpit. That is something that I wanted to see. So what I want now is to explore only the door and only appear the door, nothing more. So I'm going to remove the cockpit door. That it has to be around here. Cockpit puerta. That's right. Okay. And then go to the 3D. And I'm going to export. That is going to call cockpit puerta. Save. Okay. Okay. There should be a cockpit puerta here. I copy. Copy here. And now I reload the plane, and if appears, well, I don't know what it's going to do, because wait a moment. I'm going to export again. Remove this one, remove this one. Copy main and copy puerta. Copy here. It exports both of them. Exports everything. It's not such a problem if I'm taking care of the objects. because every time I export, it exports the name. Copy. Okay. So it should now, because I removed the one, it's not going to appear the. Okay, it's not going to appear them. Okay, what is this? This is the albedo. Okay. P. I'm going to put the sound. No, it's okay. Okay. Okay, the new door. The new door with the objects. Okay, and the 3D in the door a little. That is not well seen, but when there is shadow, you will see them. You will see it when there is shadow. Okay, so if I copy these ones and the others, I will have the new objects. Okay, so the way it is exporting is that way. Okay, copy here. Okay, there is in here there is a data ref, a manipulator that manipulates this door and opens and closes it. Because there is no animation right now, it doesn't export. We are going to do an animation to see if everything is correct. So what I'm going to do is check out which animation I used for that door. In this case, I have to go to the old one that is working right now, the 171, go to the cockpit puerta and check out which animation is driving the animation of the door. And in this case is this one. I'm using this one. So I'm going to copy this one and use that. I'm going to animate. So you are going to see the animation, and I'm going to check if everything animates correctly when I export. That's truly important. Okay. So, well, first of all, I'm going to remove the audio because I don't want to have the audio constantly from the sound. Okay, and I'm going to pause, and then I'm going to pick up this one and animate it. A very simple animation, not the same animation that I did, just a simple animation. I don't know if it was exporting to the other side, I don't remember. Well, I'm going to see the copy main and the code build and the cabin. Where's the cabin? Here. So we don't have any animation here. What we do is select the object. No, in this case not. It's perspective. Yes, perspective. Select the object. In the rotate animation, we select the local, or in this case the view, and we just, this is going to be the first one, put where we want to move it, and just rotate the thing that we want to rotate, in this case until there. Okay, so there is an animation that is doing this only in 3D Max, but not explain. How we drive that animation into explain? Well, first of all, I'm going to check out system. I'm going to show you the manipulator. No, the manipulator is not showing here because it was lost. Okay, so I'm going to drive that animation. It has only to be. It cannot be, for example, animator or rotation and an animation of translation. For example, I couldn't do this. If I wanted to do this, I couldn't do, because only sport in 3D Max, yes, because it's rotating and moving. But in this case, not. I only have to use per object one animation. If I want to make it, for example, translation, I would need to add a dummy object and then animate that the dummy object being this the child of that dummy object, as this is the parent of the object. So if I would animate this one, it would animate the other thing. So I can join the animations together. Okay, I'm going to remove this, copy main, and then copy the other one because I don't need it anymore. I have the animation, and then I'm going to see how this is done. For this, I think it was here. You press with the mouse button when you have installed the plugin to export. You press the right mouse button outside of the area where the bar is, and then you select Object Options. Appears this thing that I could add maybe here. I don't know if I can add it or put it here. Maybe. No, I don't know if. No, it doesn't link. I don't know how it was to link. I don't know if with Alt or something. Anyway, it's floating, but for me it's okay. It's floating, okay. But it's very, very laggy. Okay, and this is almost the same as it was in the old one, but it has differences. We have the light level that we want to choose. In this case, it doesn't let me use it. I don't know why. The supported one. The X-Plugin plugin only support one rotate per axis, but the rotate animation, nothing done. Okay, I'm going to make it into the object, column zone. Okay, I could animate. Okay, this one. So in animation, we go to animation, because this is lights. And we don't have a translate animation, so we leave it without that problem. We go to rotate animation, enable it, and we say here that we have two values. One value, this is the 0, and this is the 1. We set it this one to be 1. I don't know if modifying, because I never did this before here. No, I don't know how to modify that. Well, the data ref we are going to use is this one, as I said. But I don't know how to modify this value. Ah, the value is here, okay. So we put it here, 1, and should be modified here? No. Why the things has to be changed when they are working? Truly, I want to continue with this plugin, but I prefer the old one. It works much better. No, it's not defining anything. But I cannot modify. I don't like this plugin at all. I prefer the old one. It's much more faster. But the problem, the old one, it wasn't free, so I had to register. So I don't know if just copying it would make it work. No, it doesn't modify it. Don't modify it. So what I do, if I want to modify something quickly, what I have to do? No, it should change from the value what I have here and change it here, and when I press enter it should go up to the value. Yes. And also I don't see a value, a thing that is I don't want to use this one because it's not. No, not at all. Well, of course, if I put 4.5, it's going to say okay, it's going to change it. Yes, but I don't want that. I want to change it here, because if not, if I have several options, what it's going to do is a calculus between all the. No, it's not working. This. Oh, I don't know how it make it work. But I'm going to read the manual. Pues no puedo continuar con esto. Si no me lo hacen, no puedo continuar con este plugin. Y no sé cómo voy a transformar. Voy a poner el otro antiguo porque necesitaba una activación. Y claro, no está. Aunque hay unos. Aquí hay plugins antiguos. Vamos a ver si me funciona en el antiguo. Hay antiguos. Pero me parece que son para. Para. No sé si sería este. Había una activación, pero nosotros una página por manual activación. So you can use it for generating an activation code for your copy of this plugin. ¿Y dónde se? Activation link, a ver. Vale. Vale, pues lo que voy a hacer, voy a cargar mi plugin. Voy a encender el otro ordenador y voy a copiar porque no me gusta nada. Es que no me gusta nada. Nada este plugin. Vosotros podéis investigar, pero yo paso. Me cago en la madre que lo parió. Lo que pasa es que no sé qué versión de... Sí, lo puedo saber. Un momento. ¿Qué versión es esta? Porque no pone nada de la versión, ¿no? Bueno, este ordenador es más lento que el caballo, el malo. Hasta que se arranque, se ponga decente. A ver, yo generé en mi Dropbox, por si acaso, a lo mejor no hace falta. Me copié el plugin por si acaso. En Utilities puede ser. 3 Studio Max plugin.
Como viniste aquel primer día, se fue, hoy solo quedo yo. Recuerdo tú para los dos, o tú o yo, o tú o tú. Y el cielo fue azul, tu mirada azul, sentimiento azul desde ti. Mi silencio azul, tu inocencia azul, nuestro abrazo azul.
Lo que pasa es que podré exportar este plugin con otro plugin. Vamos a cerrar esto un momento. Vamos a salvar. Segundo. Vamos a borrar esto por si acaso, no vaya a ser que sea corrompido cuando intente cargarlo. Entonces que no lo... que no lo cargue. Copy main. Borrando esto. Para que no tenga ningún tipo de información. En teoría no tiene ningún tipo de información, ¿no? Y le vamos a cerrar el Studio Max. Ok. Y ahora vamos a desinstalar el anterior plugin. No.
Hacia otro lugar.
Me gustaría saber dónde se instaló. I'm trying to uninstall the NAS, that plugin, because I don't want to install both the same, but I don't know. I don't know if I have a step to sky. What's called step to sky? Step to sky. Step to sky. Here it is. License, help, license, nothing more. It's a PDF. Exporter. No, doesn't come with any information. No. I could maybe remove by hand, but I don't know what it is. I could remove by hand, maybe, but I don't know what is installed. Autodesk. Okay, here it is. And scripts, no. Armata toolbox, no. Scripts, standard plugins, maybe step to sky, where it should be step to sky. Well, I could search for step to sky. Step to sky, okay. Step to sky. Plugins, step to sky exporter. Okay. So now to this plugins, step to sky, there is a plugin here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cabrón. I have 3 Studio Max open? No. So why it doesn't let me copy here. Okay, I'm going to copy here, and of course I won't be able to remove them. Okay, I can remove them. Now I'm going to load it just to see if there is a problem. Okay, the plane is loaded. Okay, and we don't have the... Okay, we don't have the plugin. Okay, and we don't have the plugin. Okay, perfect. Now I would like to just export my one, so I don't know where it's... I'm going to search in my old computer. Wait a moment. Autodesk 3 Max 11 and plugins. Maybe it's not in plugins. There's no plugins here. Plugin, no. So I'm going to search for Step to Sky also. Step to Sky. There it is. Open the folder, and it's in the scripts. And in the scripts you have a lot of scripts. Okay, so what I'm going to do, it's great. I'm going to carry this to the Dropbox. Step to Sky 2. And pivot by vertex, that is important also. Pivot by vertex, I'm going to export this plugin also because I need it. Later if I will try to... Well, I think this is the old one, but I don't want to be messing around with my exportation, but this is an old plugin that I think should maybe it's not working because my version of 3 Max is very old and is explained. It's Windows 10. I hope it works this version. If not, I will need to carry all the information to the old computer, and I won't be transmitting the information. I will be working on the old computer. Okay. So here I have this one. Step to Sky. Well, I could just copy this one and copy the pivot vertex to this one. Okay, copy these ones, and I should have them already. It was going in scripts. Okay, now we go in here and we just drop these ones here to here. Continue. And let's see if this is working. Cross fingers. No. Maybe I need to install. Maybe it needs to be installed. Okay, I'm going to install it. Okay, first of all, I'm going to remove this those two scripts. Where is this here scripts. Okay, step to sky outside, go away. Okay, now okay. I don't know what it is. Oh, here they are. Okay, I'm going to set up. Joder. Madre que lo parió. Madre que lo parió. Voy a tener que ir uno a uno viendo a ver cuál es el puñetero programa. Porque como no pone igual Step to Sky, no lo puedo quitar del registro, quizás. También. Si no lo encuentro. Voy a tela. Pero porque las cosas se cambian. Se supone que para mejor y luego, cuando las cosas funcionan, te deja la opción anterior, joder, no la machaques, déjala. Nunca machaques una versión anterior. Microsoft Visual Theme. Es que no la veo, tío, no la veo. No la veo instalada. ¿Cómo la voy a desinstalar si no la veo instalada? ¿Cómo voy a desinstalar algo que no veo? Joder, lo único que me queda es el registro. ver, buscar Step to Sky. Es como me joden las cosas que se instalan y que se meten en el registro. Que aprendan de Xplane, joder, que no es registrar nada en el registro, joder. ¿Por qué tienen que meter en el registro cosas? Espérate, no es así. Step to Sky. Buscando en el registro. Espérate un momento. Al ser una esta, a lo mejor no aparece. Vale. Espera. A lo mejor al ser un... Vale. Muevo los dos. Ejecuto el 3 de Studio Max. Al ser un script no tiene por qué cargar automáticamente. Entonces lo tengo que hacer cargar yo. A ver si es verdad. Es que no me acuerdo muy bien cómo se cargaban los scripts. No, nunca he sido muy bueno con los scripts, con la programación de los scripts. He hecho 2 o 3, pero no... Vale, esto no aparece. Entonces aquí hacemos... No, tenía... ¿Cómo era esto? A ver, más script. No, era Customization Interface. Vale, porque claro, aquí por ejemplo no aparece lo de los 2 puntos. Lo de yo selecciono por ejemplo, hago la tetera aquí y selecciono... Estoy pensando, I'm thinking about with the... No, claro, no está cargado. No, pero es que no aparece aquí. Ah, es que no lo he copiado, soy de gilipollas. Vale. When the plane will be finished? When I go a step over this step. If I don't go over this step, it's not going to be finished. I don't know. When it's finished. There should be a step of this, but not installing it. Let's see if there is something more I have to install. Because maybe there are more things to install. I'm going to copy file by file of everything that is step over. Okay, this is not from here. Step the sky. These two files come from. Oh, they are off. Okay. Step the sky. Properties, no. Icons. Okay, there are several icons here. The box. This folder is okay. UE icons, new folder icons, okay. Then I copy all these files, step to sky, 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 step to sky. Okay, these are the ones. Nothing more. Joder. Madre que lo parió. Step to sky, 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 step to sky. Venga. Copy. Vale, more. There are more. Properties. No. Check out the folder where it is. Properties. No. Folder. Okay. The same. Okay. No, I can copy now. Okay. So these ones are going to go into icons, but I don't think this shouldn't work because there are only icons. No, UI, sorry, UI, icons, this one's copy here. Okay. It's going to start. No. No, doesn't change anything. No. Okay, it said a step to sky. I'm going to search for that. An XP. No, but if I go to the ¿Dónde? No, aquí no te puedo poner, tío. ¿Dónde? No sé si te es eso lo que quieres. Toma. Toma. No, ahí no. Vete al... Toma. A ver, vamos a ver. Estoy por copiarlo todo, pero claro, eso va a hacer que... Estoy por copiar todo el directorio y que se copien todos los archivos y a ver qué pasa. Estoy por hacerlo, porque si no esto puede ser un infierno. Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver, me voy a copiar todo el archivo Autodesk y lo voy a pasar. A ver, ¿cuánto ocupa esto? Propiedades. 1 giga con 79. Joder. Madre amor hermoso. ¿Dónde paso yo 1 giga? Como no sea por el... paso por el... Y voy a hacer una copia del mío. Bueno, señores, le voy a dejar porque esto es un problema mucho más gordo de lo que yo pensaba. Lo veremos en el siguiente, a ver si soy capaz de exportarlo y ya tendré con las pruebas que sean pertinentes y ya lo haré, ya les explicaré cómo lo he hecho. Porque si no, no hay manera de sacarlo. Entonces vamos a ver si, porque es un asunto gordo, necesito ese exportador y sin ese exportador no se puede exportar nada. Lo puedo hacer desde el otro, no está perdido todo porque lo puedo hacer desde el ordenador antiguo, pero necesito este ordenador para hacer cosas. Entonces pues nada, venga señores, nos vemos, chao.